in the world. I can connect you for your friend or people you don't know yet. You can share video, music, or articles. You also can send friend requests. Mother always check Facebook every day. Just to see other status. Even if not they other words because of me. Even their children. How lucky I am.
Hello guys, I'm Nico. As you can see, you can see the mountain brothers rising to the ball of flag. This is on the creative content on Newsnet.live. Almost teenagers, especially those like to listen, they always tell me wherever they are. Look at the pictures. How beautiful I am. Even in the class, they do the talk dialogue motion, while the teachers explain the subject. Despite all that, I also connect you, and you can see me. Then you guys syndrome like this, like this. Hi, hello users and upload photos and short videos. You as students always spend your time to see artists photograph around and plan to imitate their style. As you can see here, the people is copying the artist style. They going crazy, right? You can also see their stories, or you usually stay in class and teach something. Really want to know about other style.
I am the most attractive application in the world for children even adults. I can influence them all day long to play. They can forget about their other activities or even forget about their thinking. Children even can get eyesight because of me. I can make it crazy. You can be addicted. I am You can watch videos with me, vlogs, cooking videos, live streams, even TV shows. People vlogs not for inspire people, but to get more money. Ha 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 ha. There is power who got helpless after enjoying the treasuries house clogging. Ha ha ha. How good I am.
You don't need to use letters anymore to communicate. Hi, I am WhatsApp. You can send photos and videos. You can also video calls with people. Not only that, you can express all of your feelings with status. Your feelings like anger, your Okay, hello everyone. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna introduce myself. I am School. School is the power of the universe. School can make you have the power to eliminate human. Look at that. School teach you how to accumulate the humans since their existence. It's empowering you with knowledge that can run the world. Look at all of them. Look at all the scientists, Bill Gates, Albert Einstein, and every scientist and inventors. They can make such a good things because of school. So, who will compete me? I will challenge you guys. But you can use social media too to think you will be a successful person. But nowadays you guys can look at the picture right there. They play together but they're busy with their own gadgets. Nowadays people can laugh or talk with their family anymore because of the gadgets. So I will hope that all of us here can take your gadget away and go talk or laugh with your family to make a good ceremonial with your family. Thank you everyone.